Hello everyone, welcome to Amit Engineering Works. Today we have this laptop battery. We replace it down, the cells of this battery. Here is the model number as you can see on your screen. This battery is totally dead. Here is the voltage ratings. It's 4400 mAh. So today we replace the cells in lithium ion cells. Here you can see these are the cells, and here you have the BMS for these cells. As you can see, the date is of 2017 of 4th month. So it's 3.7 volt cells. So we replace these lithium ion batteries. So the connections are right there. This is two cells in parallel, plus minus, and then the red wire goes to 12 volts, as you can see, and the yellow wire is for, here you can see it's for 8 volts. As you can see the circuit diagram here, and the blue one is for 4 volts, as you can see here. You can see the markings, and here is the ground pin, you can say, if you see. So we replace these cells. So we replace these cells with the new one. Here we have new cells. So this is of same ratings. So right now, before doing anything, we just make the circuit diagram of this battery first. So here is the circuit diagram. We have these cells right there. It's cell number 1, it's cell number 2, cell number 3, cell number 4, cell number 5, and cell number 6. So here is the positive and positive and negative and negative. It's positive and positive and negative and negative, positive. So negative, negative. So the tubes are connected with the red wire. This is positive, and this is also connected. This is yellow wire that is going to pin number 8 volt, and the another wire is here connected, and here it's the blue wire. And here is the negative side, it's black ground, 8 volt, it is 4 volts. So here is the circuit diagram, as you can see. Here is the battery circuit diagram. So first we connect the positive and then the negative. Here we have the signals. Here we have it's connected with 12 volts. Here's this side is black. This all is connected parallelly. These 4 are collected up in between, and these are connected, interconnected. And here's the negative one. So this circuit is very useful. This is for HP laptop. Here you can see these are the pinouts of this laptop battery. As you can see, the P positive, P, this is P positive, side 2 P positive and P negative, and NC is for not connected, and this is for ID for data, and these are used for programming purposes. So now it's time to tear down. it. You can see these are connected in this way. So now here is the final thing we have.